Hello.
Hello.
Hey everybody. We just thought we'd do a little video. Well, a couple of reasons. We've got a new intro to try out. And we went and had a visit to Superbike Factory. And we've not been too kind to them in the past. However, in the past, I think when we went to the cafe, it was very busy, wasn't it?
Last
time, and I've got to say that I felt the bikes were very unprepared.
Yeah, they're a bit scruffy, weren't they?
Really
like
scruffy.
Just pinched them off at street.
So what we've done is we went to Donington Park, not yesterday, day before, wasn't it?
We did.
And we thought we're going to have a look round, get a bit of bike therapy, because we couldn't get out. And, looks like somebody's bringing your slipper for you.
Thanks.
No, all right. So
Carry on.
So, we had a run down and we got down there, and to be fair, obviously it wasn't too busy for obvious reasons. It's that time of year. And we were very impressed, weren't we?
Yeah. We had a coffee, delicious, absolutely stunning coffee. And I had...
Benelli chips or something, wasn't it?
Yeah, Benelli chips, which was chips, cheese, bacon, and
Barbecue
sauce. And
there was plenty of it as well.
We shared. There was that much of it.
I had a bacon bat, didn't I? And that was nice.
It was £7, and I thought, oh, that's a bit steep. But when it came, and it fed both of us, and it was delicious.
Yes, I've got to agree. It was very, very nice.
Yeah.
And like I said, I had a bacon bap, and that was lovely. So, and it was very clean in there as well, wasn't it?
Yeah, well, they weren't busy.
The cafe and everything was very, very clean. It was last time we went, obviously, they were busy. So we thought we'd have a bit of an
Even the
update.
bikes were polished.
Well, that's what I was going to get to now. We decided to have a walk around the bikes, and all the bikes looked clean.
Yeah.
They didn't look like they'd just been dragged out. There was a couple that looked like they'd been dragged out, but they were very cheap, and I think they were...
I think they'd probably been on a test ride or something.
Maybe, yeah, or they were ones that had been insurance sale, I don't know. But anyway, yeah, so overall we were quite impressed with this. The look of the place, and the bikes were nice and clean and
Good
very
selection.
presentable, very select, yeah. And somebody spent some money.
I spent some money. I bought some nice trousers.
You've not been happy with your jeans, have you? You don't like going out in jeans,
No,
even though
not
they've got
really.
a bit of padding.
They've only got knee padding, and I feel a bit, I don't know, naked, I suppose.
Yeah, I find it quite amusing considering we rode around France in shorts.
I know.
We were looking through the photos the other day, and we might put a video together of our French trip, but it will be of still photos. There are a couple of videos, aren't there? But mostly still photos, give you an idea of what we did and, how we did it. If anybody's interested, it might be... we want to try and make the videos more topical, don't we? Not just us riding around going, oh, look at that, there's a tree, and oh, look, there's a car.
So anyway, we decided, I saw these and I thought they're more fitting.
Yeah.
They're more like, I don't know, what...
They feel waterproof, don't they? No, they're not Kevlar.
Teflon?
Teflon, yeah. Yeah, I would say so, maybe, yeah. What does your thing say? Does that tell us anything?
So the armour,
ARMR.
It don't say. I don't know.
Doesn't say much about them, does it?
Yeah, there's a little booklet which I am
Live.
Yep. The rider-wear user information, it says, so protected as well. So.
The thing that took Tez to them is they've got knee protection, haven't they? They've got hip protection.
We'll skip that, but they are, I think they are waterproof.
Yeah, or at least...
They're more like your waterproof kind of material.
Yeah, the winter clothes.
Yeah, what we wear. So, these the very... Only thing I found with them are that they are small size. So I'm usually a medium size /14, something like that. These are large.
/14.
Well, I don't know. And they fit. Whereas my other trousers, they only 12, 14. Yeah, we've got some zips at the bottom and they also elasticated to go over your boots. Some knee padding, which is more than you get in your dragging jeans. They've got a lot more. And again, zips to take your pads out. Yeah, look. So they are quite, and they've got
You've got nice zip pockets, haven't you?
You've got a strip here so that you can be seen. Also, because I've got fat calves as well.
Yeah, you can adjust
Make
it.
them smaller, tighter, or looser, which is really good for me. Yeah, pocket zips.
Which is always useful. And the proper ladies fitting.
And the proper ladies fit, yeah. They do gents as well.
Yeah, they do.
We've also got ties and press studs and a zip. Not going down there.
Oh, good. I wonder where we're going with this.
An elasticated waist. And they do a jacket too, but I haven't brought the jacket.
But you
that
might
you
find
can
it
zip together. And it comes, that one comes off, so you can put it to any jacket really.
Yeah. I don't think you'll get that back on like that. But this will be interesting.
Will it?
Oh, yeah, see if you can do it. Can you? Tune in next week.
He's a cocky sod, isn't he?
Oh. No, far from it.
Talk. Might be a while.
Yeah.
But then again,
have you done
maybe
it?
not.
Oh, well done. Hey.
So yeah, can't wait to try them. Get on the bike and have a feel, see what they like.
Well, we're kind of hoping we were going to get out this weekend, but it's not looking that way.
Yeah, they're quite, I mean, these are quite big on me.
It's what you want, isn't it, when you're out
But,
on the bike? You want to be comfortable.
Yeah, but the smaller size, they fit me round here, but tight on my legs. So when it come to bending, it was like, oh God,
Yeah.
I'm crippled. I'll never get on bike.
With those, when you sit down.
But now, look, nice and
comfy.
and these stay where you put them. Whereas I find with my others, they drop down a bit.
Yeah, and then they start hurting you.
And then they're in the wrong place.
These leathers do that. They tend to end up in the wrong place.
It's because they make them.
Rubbing.
Yeah, they make them so. I mean, not everybody's measured leg-wise, so it's one size fits all, basically, isn't it? But yeah, I'm loving the feel of them, and hopefully they'll.
Yeah, they look really good as well.
They'll keep me warm as well.
Nice.
Whereas my others, my winter gear, I also wear ski things underneath.
Yeah.
Winter warmer
things.
Yeah. These are lined. They've got air things, a netting, so they can breathe. You've got pockets to undo. We've also got one here. I forgot about this one. Also, which goes right down to your knee. So good for your phone, I guess.
Yeah, I would say so.
Or your wallet, or
whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's nice that they're all zipped up and everything.
But everything's zipped.
And to be fair, the price of them, which was $119.99, 120, wasn't it?
Yeah, $119.99 there.
For nowadays, for gear, I thought was very reasonable. I don't know about you.
And they do the jacket for $139, I think.
99, yeah, 140.
140.
So if you're struggling for gear, and I was quite surprised at the selection they had.
Very lightweight.
Yeah, which is what you need. I was quite surprised at the selection they had. Very surprised.
Yeah,
they've seemed to have got a lot more clothing and helmets and gloves and everything. So we've kind of pulled them apart. But yeah, we found the staff in the cafe very, very, very pleasant. The food was great, and they were very pleasant that served
Was
us.
it RST that did these as well?
I think there was some RST
What was them,
similar
what,
to those, yeah.
I tried
Alpine
on.
Stars, weren't there?
Alpine Stars, they do.
Yeah, so they got
do
RST
these.
in there, Alpine Stars, Tom's whatever it is, and they've got quite a lot of different brands in there.
Yeah.
But like I said, and then we walked around the bikes. The bikes are very well laid out, and most of them look very clean.
I enjoyed us a few
Yeah,
hours.
I did. I enjoyed
Yeah.
it. It was a nice little
Whereas
trip
last
over.
time when we went, not so much. I thought I were a bit, like we said, a bit disappointed because the bikes were dirty. I don't think there's anything worse than a dirty bike.
Not if you're
And-
thinking of buying one,
Well, no.
especially when you
They
got somebody
weren't
like me.
presented well, was they, at all,
Yeah, you've got
before?
somebody like me. It's a bit anal and wants everything absolutely spick
Yeah.
and sparkly. There was no way, but there was a Ducati in there that we looked at, wasn't there? And to be honest with you, if it had been on the
Diablo.
market, no, it wasn't the Diablo, was it? It was the other one. There was a Diablo in there. Is it Diablo? It's not Diablo, is it?
Ducati, Diablo, yeah. That black one.
Yeah, it's not a Diablo though. It's a Ducati.
Oh.
Not DeVille. Oh, I can't remember. Well, I've done a couple of road rides on it anyway. So if you're interested in that, have a look at the other videos. But it was more of a sporty sort of. It wasn't a sports bike, but it was more of a sit-up sports bike, and it looked quite nice. And it wasn't a bad price either, I thought. So,
And also, I noticed this time there was a few staff knocking about. Before, when we went, staff was there, but was like in a big area of
Yeah.
offices, weren't there? This time, when we've gone, there was tables with computers on, and somebody sat at the
I
desk.
think they've changed the premise on
Yeah.
it, and they've. I felt more relaxed in there.
Yeah, nobody bugged you.
No, nobody bothered you
So if you wanted to go and have a
to ask.
a chat about a bike, or if you wanted to get your leg over and see how it felt on the bike. There was
I don't
somebody
think they'd
there.
allow you to do that.
Yeah, but there was somebody there that you could go and ask, can I sit on it and see how it feels? Can you get it out for me to sit on and stuff like
look
that?
round it and
Whereas
everything.
last time when we went, which was a couple of years ago,
Not long after it opened, wasn't
yeah,
it? We went.
we struggled to see anybody in workwear.
Yeah, to be fair, but
work there.
this time there was a bit more to it, and for me, it was a nice couple of
Worth
hours
a
out.
visit.
Yeah, it's worth a visit. It was a nice couple of hours out. Definitely do it again. 100%.
Worth a visit. Nice menu, a good choice on menu as well. Like I said, I thought it was overpriced a little bit, but when you got your meal, I mean, even Adi, he had a burger, well,
bacon
a
cob.
bacon butty. Again, I think it was £7, weren't it?
No, I don't think it was. It wasn't that much.
£5.50 or something.
No, because the
like
whole
that.
lot was 17 quid. We had 2 lattes. You had your Benelli chips, which was £7.
Yeah.
So we got 2 lattes and a bacon cob for a tenner, which is not bad at all. Not bad at all. So yeah, I didn't think that. I think it was just you thought it was cheesy chips, and you thought it was £7 for cheesy chips with a bit of sauce on them, didn't you?
Yeah,
But when it actually
type of
came,
thing, yeah,
it was completely not that.
yeah.
So
And
yeah,
a big portion.
it was a big.
it was
Well,
a
you
big
couldn't eat
portion.
it all, could you?
No.
That's why we ended up sharing.
We did share.
So I thought that'd help.
Yeah, not much persuasion, like.
No.
But yeah, lovely.
So
Good
yeah,
day
that's
out.
that. So yeah, highly recommend it now. Rather than what I said before in previous videos, I was correcting what I said at the time, and I stand by what I said at the time. However, I'm first to admit that when somebody's changed something, then they deserve to be. That I deserve to be able to say they've changed. New intro on this video.
Let us know what you think.
Yeah, let us know what you think.
Yeah.
All us, nobody else.
It's all
nothing to do.
lady.
Well, we'll see. So you can put your comments in. Quite happy to hear them. If you think it's rubbish, tell me. I'll take it out again. Well, not if one person says, but if I get 1,000, I'll be happy with 1,000. In fact, maybe I should do that. Make it really bad, and then everybody comment about how crap it is. We've got some updates on the Aprilia. We've got some videos coming out soon, and I finally finished it now. So there's going to be a video with taking it out. I've changed the sprocket down to a 16, which is its standard size, and I'm hoping that's going to enable everything. So is there anything else that you want to say about?
Yeah, we're just waiting for some better weather.
Yeah, please. Anybody can help, put yourselves forward and, talk to somebody.
We missed yesterday. We was going to go out yesterday.
Well, kind of busy, weren't we?
And we had quite a lot to do, and he kept saying, oh, we'll go out later, and we never got the chance. Well, so, highly disappointed today because it pissed it down. Excuse my French.
She says it's raining. Hard.
So, yeah.
So
we've got to wait for a nice day.
Yeah, that's that. So we have got to wait for a nice day now.
A nicer day.
And then we're looking forward to getting out on the GT, aren't we? We're really chomping at the bit for that and get a nice good ride in. Yeah. Hopefully get off to the seaside and we'll take you with us. If you can think of anything you want us to do or say, talk about, then give us a shout. We've just done, the video's just gone out this week about the pillion advice. So if you haven't seen that, I'll stick a link in. It's just some things that we've come up with and some things that Tez has seen. We'd like your input as well. So if you've got anything to add to what we've said, that would be really good. So I think we're done.
Okay.
All right. So hopefully it's not long now. This is the end of January pretty much.
Soon be.
So with 4 weeks,
Bike
end of
season.
February. Well, 4.5 weeks, 5 weeks, end of February. So hopefully a good downpour at end of February. Get rid of all the salt. March. No, I mean we've had some lovely weather in the past in March, so you'll soon know we're at. The videos will come stonking through. The videos haven't done so well actually. I don't know whether people aren't expecting them to come out or what.
Back to the seaside, go and watch sun racing. That's always a good day out.
It is. That video
no matter what weather.
They didn't do very well, that video.
No?
No, don't think many. I think more people will go to it and watch it themselves rather than see us and us portraying it.
It was bloody cold that day.
It was, wasn't it? Yeah, it's not so much. Yeah, there's some. I think what I've noticed, although people are watching the videos and enjoying them, which is all we're bothered about now. We're not getting so many hits. So, but we don't care now. We're not bothered. We've decided that we don't care what happens with the channel. We're just going to do the videos.
If you like and hit the bell,
yeah,
fantastic. If you don't, that's fine too.
Thank you very much. We had a comment, somebody says, sorry, I won't be watching you again. Wasn't funny with him. I just liked what he said and said, thank you. At least you gave us a try.
Yeah.
We're not everybody's cup of tea. We're not even our cup of tea sometimes. Listen, guys, look.
You're waffling.
I know. I was just thinking that myself. Take care, everybody. Look after yourselves. Do us a favour, though. Please subscribe.
Hit the bell. Ding, ding. I nearly missed it.
And join us in a future video. Like our videos. Share them if you want to. And we'll see you later, further on into near the season. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Tez.
Bye, Tez.